Alrighty, we're getting ready to head to Florida, and we're going to thrift as much as we can. We're probably going to stop in Macon and Georgia and thrift for a while there, see what they got going on there. And we'll keep you posted as we go.
Alrighty, we're on the road.
The trucker dog here.
On the road again, going places that I've never been, seeing things that I may never see again.
Can't go anywhere without trucker
I
dog.
can't wait to get on the road again.
All right, we're outside the Sunrise, that's S-O-N-R-I-S-E, Sunrise Thrift Store outside of Macon, Georgia. So,
Great County.
yeah, cool little thrift store. What'd you think of it?
Real clean.
yeah.
Prices are good. Not very big though. Doesn't have a whole lot of stuff, but prices are good. Jackets are only $5.
Yeah.
Shoes were, the pair I got was $5, but
Yeah.
5, 7, 8. You know, but everything's individually priced. So.
Yeah, they up price a few things,
Yeah.
but
Some stuff's a little expensive.
there was a
but-
bunch of books. I scanned a few of them, but didn't find anything. It was pretty much about what Amazon was charging. It was about what they were charging. So, you know,
Yep.
$4 or $5. I mean, they weren't real expensive books, but textbooks mostly.
Yep.
So anyway, well, yeah, if you're down in Macon, we'll put the address up on the screen and check them out. It looks like a good cause. So,
Yep.
and they have free prayer.
Yep.
So, can't
And
beat
Doritos.
that. And Doritos. That's
They had
right.
Free Doritos.
Free Doritos?
They had free
Well, excuse
bags
me.
of Doritos. Flaming hot Doritos.
Oh, okay. Well, well, maybe next time. Okay. Anyway, we'll see you at the next one. Okay, well, we just went to the Ben's, or the Goodwill outlet in Macon, and what'd you think of that?
It's really clean.
Yeah,
I
it's-
mean, it
it's-
just doesn't have a lot in it. It doesn't have the chaos that the Nashville one does.
Yeah, but it's an interesting Ben's because they had things almost sorted too well. You know, it was like there was like pants in one.
Yeah.
You know,
yeah.
in most of the bins they just dump out clothes, and it could be, you might find a shoe or a, you know,
Yeah.
or well, maybe not a shoe, but you might find like, you know, a pair of pants, a shirt, whatever. It was almost like they, you know, they had them all. It was almost like a retail store with just, you know, the bin concept with it. But
Yeah, I mean, it was just one of the nicer, neater, cleaner bins.
yeah, the hard goods, they were, you know, interesting too. They were individually priced, which is, I've never seen that at a Ben's
Yeah.
before. But anyway, it might be worth checking out, I guess, if
we're here.
if you're in the neighborhood or something.
They just didn't have a lot in the bins. I
Yeah.
mean, there's just
We're
very
not-
limited
We're
amount
not really
of stuff.
super bin shoppers either.
No, don't have the patience for it.
But you know, it's not a bad way to get clothes though. So check it out.
Yeah.
We'll see you at the next one.
Yeah.
Start over again. Hey, we're sitting in front of the Salvation Army in front of, and I guess in Macon, but it's a Mercer area of Macon, near Mercer College. So anyway, nice store, nice clean store. What do you
Very
think
nice.
of it?
Nice clean store. Stuff's just not sized.
Yeah,
They don't have anything divided by size at all, and they have 0 shoes almost.
yeah, they do it by color, I think, in
That's just
some
pricing.
places, and yeah.
And that's just for pricing and
No, but I
rotation.
mean, like all the red T-shirts were together.
Oh, yeah,
all
yeah,
the
yeah,
green
yeah.
T-shirts
Yeah,
were
I hate
together.
that.
Yeah. So anyway. All right. So anyway,
Yep, but it's
So-
really clean.
then yeah, nice store. Prices are good. I mean,
Yeah.
there was some interesting things. I got a T-shirt for myself and We got a North Face shirt, so
Yep.
we'll show you that in a haul video.
For $5.
Yeah, for
both.
$5. So it was affordable. So if you
Yeah.
do find stuff, it's actually pretty good. So.
Yeah.
So we'll throw the address up, and I'll throw that price list up on here too, so you can see what the prices are for everything. Because they had it all printed up nice and neat. I took a picture of it. So, all right. So we're on to the next one. We'll see you there. Outside the rescue mission in Macon, Georgia, and rescue mission thrift store, and good sized thrift store. Really,
Yeah.
It's got a lot of furniture and
it's
you know,
rolling in and rolling out just as fast as they bring it out.
Stuff on carts, and
Yeah.
exactly. So what'd you think of this one?
It was nice. It had, they don't have a lot of stuff. It's they need stuff, I guess, but
What do you
I
mean?
mean, there wasn't a lot of shoes. There
Oh, I
even
gotcha.
even like
Okay.
their clothing wasn't like packed full. It wasn't.
Right.
But yeah, they just but they have nice stuff. I mean, the stuff's very clean. They don't get junky stuff. So
Yeah, real nice staff too. Super
yeah,
friendly
everybody there's
staff.
really friendly. Yeah.
So
Yep.
yeah. So if
Lots
you're
of hard goods, lots of furniture.
yeah.
They had a big department. More than half the store was that kind of stuff.
Yeah.
So
And
that
I mean,
worked
they
out
had,
good.
right, they had, I mean, there was like things like a piano there, and
Yeah.
there was some, if you need a giant wooden desk, I mean, this is the place to go.
Exactly.
That's
I
definitely-
mean, just kind of all
they can
kinds of
hook you
big
up.
stuff. Yeah,
So-
yeah. They must have a good, where they come and pick stuff up from you.
Yeah,
Yeah.
right, and have
you can tell
probably a
that.
truck or something, yeah. Okay.
Exactly. So
Well, yeah, we're on our way to the next one. I think where are we going next?
Goodwill.
Goodwill,
we
okay.
got 3 Goodwills to hit.
All right, so we're on our way, and we'll see you at the next one. Alrighty, yeah. All right, we're here in front of the Forsyth Goodwill in Macon, Georgia, and we just left a small store.
Yep. Cluttered.
Yeah, cluttered. Yeah.
Very hard to find things, I mean, the clothes at least are sorted by size and everything, but there's not enough space for the hard goods and everything, and so it's all stacked on top of the shelves with the
Yeah.
clothing, and yeah, it's very, very messy.
What about the pricing? I mean, is it-
I didn't. It's like that fixed type pricing. Shoes
Yeah.
are so much. I mean, $3.99, $4.99. I mean, prices
Yeah.
are fine.
okay.
I just didn't find anything to buy.
Alrighty.
Yeah.
Well, onward and upward. We'll go to the next one here, and we got 2 more to go to, I think, today in Macon, and then
We're done.
we'll be done. We got to make one by 7, and then the other one closes at 8. It's 6 o'clock right now, so we're off. Alright, we're outside the Goodwill on, what road is this?
I don't know.
Okay, well, it's a Goodwill in Macon.
Right off the interstate.
It's right off the interstate, right off
Yep.
470 something. Anyway,
Yeah, something like that.
yeah, we're, what'd you think of this store? It's a kind of a
It's a nice
small
store.
store. It's not huge. It's got a lot of hard goods, but,
It does. It's
nothing to write home about.
And all the shoes almost every shoe is $5.99. I didn't see any that were priced over
Yeah,
that.
that's a good price.
So that worked out pretty
it's
good.
like it is where we come from.
Yep, and I'm okay with that. $5.99 is okay with me.
Okay.
So yeah, I'm trying to get the address for you, and
Oh, that's
I think
okay.
it's on Eisenhower Parkway.
I'll
think
pull
it's
it up.
off
I'll
there.
put it on
Yep.
the video later. So.
So yeah, prices were fair. Store's clean.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
that's all we can ask for. No size.
Okay, we're in front of the Goodwill somewhere. I'll
Somewhere.
put the address up on the screen.
Yeah.
The very last one tonight. It's getting dark. It's getting late.
Yeah.
Time to go.
It is.
So anyway, what'd you think of this one? We've been here before.
We go here all the time. The shoes are $5.99. their coats and stuff like that are really expensive and stuff, but everything else is fair. All their purses are $3.29 no matter what. And shirts, adult shoes are $5.99, so they're the same as they are back home. You know,
Yeah.
the purses are actually 70 cents cheaper.
Had a few hard goods and
Yeah, and they
few
got nice
things,
stuff. I mean, they
shoes,
got fairly
because-
good quality things. They get
Yeah.
they have a decent. Their stuff is decent.
What's the pricing like? I mean, are they similar to the other ones we went to in this town, or?
Yeah,
Pretty much the
yeah,
same,
$5.99
right.
for
So
shoes.
everything's the
Yeah,
same.
yep, everything's
All
the
right.
same.
All right, well, that should do it for this last one. So we'll see you at the next one.
Yep.
Bye.